I am Dr. M. Tamil Shelvi, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The topic of geology is joints. The regular or irregular cracks developed in rocks due to tensional or compressional forces acting within the crust with no relative displacement between the affected rock blocks are called joint. Joints types of primary joint, master joint, dip joint, strike joint, oblique or diagonal joint, joint system, columnar joint, conjugate joint, sheet jointing, mural joints. These are all the types of joint. First one is the primary joint. The joints developed in igneous rocks due to cooling and contraction of magma mass is known as primary joint. And the master joints are a very large joint which can be terraced over an extensive area is called a master joint. The diagram of given the types of joint. And dip joint. Dip joint is the necessarily strikes parallel to the direction of dip of the bed forming the country. Strike joint strikes parallel to the strike of the country. Oblique is oblique or diagonal joint strike neither parallel to the strike of the country rock nor parallel to its dip direction. Joint systems, two or more joint sets together constitute a joint system. Columnar joints, the columnar joints are developed due to tensional forces in lava flows. They are developed due to the intersection of two or more vertical joint sets within the affected rock mass. Conjugated joint system, whenever two interesting joint sets, whether the vertical or inclined or oriented at right angles to each other, they are said to be form a conjugate joint system. Sheet jointing a number of closely. Then sheet joints are number of closely. The diagrams are given here so easily understand. Then mural joint is three sets of joints, two vertical and one horizontal, are developed with equal spacing between them. They split up the rock masses into cubical blocks. Such joints or pattern is called mural jointing. They are well developed in granites. Engineering importance of the joints. As for water supply projects or concerned regions, jointed strata are considered to be suitable for groundwater exploration because joint zones will serve as aquifers. In case of dam or reservoir project, the foundation should be made on a sound massive bedrock. On the other hand, if the rock strata have heavily jointed, there will be significant leakage of stored water in the reservoir of the dam. For tunnel project, the rock should be free from joint. If the roof or walls of tunnels are highly jointed, there will be seepage of water into the tunnel. Lining of tunnels may be required in such cases. In hilly terrains, joint of rocks causes instability of slopes leading to landsliding. Many landslides and slope failure are due to the joint nature of rocks. In all the above cases, the treatment is required called grouting to improve the strength of rocks. Thank you.